Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on replacing the battery in your Maria Luisa Huertas Zarita Conga 3390. For this process, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, a cleaning cloth, and a new compatible battery. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing parts. First, start by removing the screws located at the back of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you're not comfortable handling tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using a flat screwdriver. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the plastic casing. After you have successfully opened the cover, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using your cleaning cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Next, you will see the battery compartment. Disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connector. If you're unsure about this step, we can assist you. Don't forget, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience, no calls, no travel. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the corresponding port. Ensure that the connection is secure, but do not force it, as this could damage the terminals. Once the new battery is in place, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is clean and that no tools are left inside the device. Before closing everything up, it's wise to test the device. Power it on to see if it responds properly. If you encounter any issues, we recommend getting a quote before repair to avoid unexpected costs. If everything is working as expected, proceed to close the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely in place. Reinsert the screws with your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Finally, give your device a final wipe with the cleaning cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Maria Luisa Huertas Zarita Conga 3390. If you ever feel overwhelmed by the process or need assistance, remember we are here to help with our professional services. Enjoy your fully functioning device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.